All right, folks, let's go tie jigs again. This is going to be total different. This crappy jig here pretty much is going to be matching all the colors, and I want to show you how to match colors here. So this is the material I want to use. I want to use this lime color here. You see here, that's the one I want to use. This is the crystal flash that I want to use for this crappy jig. And my buys here, this is size 4 BNC hooks, 116. And you can see here is a lemon color. It's a really nice jig here. It's a simple jig, really effective, kills a lot of crappies. So let's go start putting some glue into the hook shank, and let's go start tying this beautiful jig here, guys. All right, so for the thread I want to use 210 denier, in this case hot pink color. So let's go start the thread behind the head and then go back to the hook point. Okay, and I'll stop right there. Just cut this off. Now, first material for the tail, I want to use this yellow, green, lemon color to match the head right there. So I have a piece here ready to go. If you can see here, this is going to match the head right there. Just going to take a measure here. That should be enough there. So I'm going to grab this with my left hand side and cut this off. Cut it off. Okay. Now you can wet this material a little bit, so it's more easy when you tie this material. Just wet a little bit the tip. You just put it right there on top of the hook shank. Make a nice tight wraps and just go back to behind the hook point right there. Bring all the way back right there. Secure all those fibers off here. All right. And then, yes, if you see that material is not around the hook shank, you just can push those with you tip your finger down, you squish that out. It will work and you to around the hook shank here. There you go. Okay, now for the flashing, I want to use this this is new material here. This is a crystal flash fluorescent chartreuse color there. You can see that in camera. So I have two pieces here, and I'm gonna tie this on top of the hook shank. So pretty much it's gonna match everything, all the colors that I use in here in this crappy gear here. Just secure that really well. Okay, just cut them off, some pieces long and some of it short. And that should be plenty enough there, guys. Okay, now I wanted to use something different here in the tail, just to keep that jig a little bit different color, different profile. I want to say that I want to use a piece of this material here. People use, and I use that too, for trout flies. You can see here, this is a chartreuse grizzly wally booger here. People using that for dry fly. So I had a piece here, really small. So I want to take a measure here, guys, and I want to use a piece to be just a little bit longer than the tail, so it can give a nice profile there. I want to switch it like this. Just put it right there. Just tie them up. I want one piece in each side here. So it's gonna keep the tail a little bit different profile and a little bit different color. So I tie one piece in one side, and I want to tie another piece here in this side. Just take a measure, make sure this is a little bit longer than the tail that you have there. So it's gonna give a nice color into the jig here. Okay, just put it right there and just make a nice. Just trying to work with this, because if you don't put it the right way, it will be sized up, and you don't want that. 1, 2, 3, 4 wraps. Just secure that. Really go back to the hook point. Okay, now I have that in place. You can see you have one piece on each side. You see that? All right. So I have my marabou, my pieces de jaco there, my flashable, my crystal flash there. So you just wanted to Give it nice tight wraps there to secure all the materials. I'm gonna stop right there. Put some glue into the body here. This is a killer jig, guys. This color here is really deadly, especially when the water is a steamer, like a little bit dirty water. Now for the body, I want to use this material here. I want to use this color here, the lemon color, really light color, matches the head a little bit. I have a lot of colors here. The only problem that I got for this material here is really tiny. It's really, but it's got long fibers. Look at that. But it's really, really tiny. It's not really thick. So what do you do when that happens? Okay, I want to show you. Put it right there behind the head right there and secure that really good. So what you do is, leave your thread there. You want to make a lot of wraps into the body, so it's not going to keep it a skinny profile, but the same way when you wrapping that so many times, it's gonna the body is gonna be thick. Not that thick, but you know what I'm saying. So keep wrapping, okay? And yeah, this material works really well. I tried this last year and worked really nice. You see, so what I'm doing right now, I'm covering the whole body at that hook shank there. And look what happened. And you know the nice thing is that when I using this hot pink color, that what's gonna dust to that jig, it's gonna give that jig a really, really nice color in front of that jig there. Make 2 wraps, just be careful to cut this off. Just make a nice tight wraps there, guys. And you just want to push the fibers just a little bit back and make a nice tight wraps there. You can see that hot pink in its neck. It's a really nice jig right there, folks. Just couple wraps, finish wraps, 2, 3, 4, 5. I always keep it 5. So by the time you tie that with 5 wraps and put some glue into there, that should be enough. This is not going nowhere. Just put a glue into that hot pink, beautiful color there and rotate your vise. And boy, look at this guy here. I really like that. Especially with that color, matches all the hairs, man. I want to tell you one story before. Long time ago, I was fishing with a couple friends and nobody was catching any crappie, any species of fish. And everybody's changing colors and this and that. And I got this color, man, and this color killed the fish. I don't know because it's a strong colors. I don't know, or because it's a really light color, I say. But this color, man, oh my goodness, this color make the crappies go nuts, man. Look at this color, that head. Look at the body. That's what I put that little piece there, the hackle there. Give it a nice color because that will work too in the steam water with the black and the chartreuse there. And the body, the hot pink in its neck. It looks beautiful, this crappie jig, man. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not subscribed. Give me a thumbs up. Remember, if you guys give me thumbs up, it helps me a little bit in my channel. Make a comment and see what you think about this color, about this material here. This color here, I really like that, man, because it's really long hairs. And it's really, really soft, this color here. Especially with the black and chartreuse tail there. And this flash blue here. I mean, crystal flash. The head pretty much matches everything. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up for more videos. And remember, make a comment. It's really important. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.